Ways on how to achieve that luxe look for your bedroom. There are a few little tricks to making your master bedroom feel super luxurious. You cannot have a luxurious bedroom if you don't start with your foundation. It all starts with a good mattress, the best that your money can buy. Because a mattress is name brand does not necessarily mean it is going to be a good mattress. I had a Stearns & Foster, and I will say their name time and time again, and it was the worst mattress purchase I ever made. It was a terrible mattress. I can say it because I spent my money. It might be a mattress brand that works for you. The key is finding a mattress that makes you comfortable because we spend so much time in our bed sleeping. A comfortable mattress. The next thing to do is you want to protect your mattress by getting a mattress cover. They come in all different styles now. You can get them where they have a little bit of padding. You can get them where they have some memory foam. Whatever your choice is, it's something to protect your baseline investment, the mattress. If you're new to my channel, I just want to say welcome. Thank you for stopping by today. If you're already part of my family, y'all know I got nothing but love for you. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. A few other essentials that I suggest that you incorporate are very good sleeping pillows. Again, the best that your money can buy. You spend money on the pillows, you want to make sure that you get a very good pillow cover, something that you can take off between changes of your bed. Because honey, y'all know we sweat. And some people have a little extra drool. I'm just going to put it out there. Have a little extra drool. And if you know somebody has a little extra drool and they don't have a pillow cover on their pillow, I'm just going to say stay away from that pillow. Get a pillow cover. Next thing that you want to invest in are some really quality sheets. I do like a satin cotton. I said that so wrong just a minute ago. I do like the cotton sateen sheets because they're easy to launder. They don't get as wrinkled. If you do the 100% cotton with Egyptian cotton sheets, Egyptian cotton duvets, if you want it to look extra crisp, over the top and luxurious, more than likely you're gonna have to break out with the iron. The next key thing in having that luxurious look is not having a full matching bedroom set. And I think I say this on every other video about having a full matching set of anything, and I've been saying it for years. You can always opt for a style of bed and then come in with different nightstands. Your nightstands don't necessarily have to match your dresser. Mix your pieces up, and that's what designers tend to do, is find complementary pieces, not matching pieces, to have the bedrooms feel more luxurious, more high-end. It doesn't necessarily have to be a nightstand. It can be a side table. It could be a credenza if you have the space. It could be any piece of furniture. Put a lamp, accessorize very well. This is definitely an opportunity to think out of the box if you want to have that high-end luxurious look. Another thing that you can do if you can't get rid of your sets and you say, hey, I spent a lot of money, I'm keeping both of my nightstands, I'm keeping my bed, and I'm keeping my dresser up, my chest of drawers, I'm keeping it all. One thing that you can do is to change the matching mirror over the dresser. That's what we did. We have a matching bed, a matching dresser, and we also had the matching mirror. But to give our bedroom just a little more high-end look, I found an awesome round mirror in my favorite metal finish gold. We took the old mirror down, put the new mirror up. It really opened the space up. It's oversized. It really takes the dresser from just looking average to looking elevated. And play around with unusual mirrors. Just because you had a rectangle mirror doesn't mean that you got to go back with a rectangle mirror. If you had a round mirror, you have to go back with a round mirror. Do something that's different, that has a different finish on it, something that's totally different from the dresser to give it a more luxe look. One thing that I can't say enough about to taking your bedroom to the next level is to add a rug. But you gotta add the right size rug. Now you can't go in there thinking you're gonna take your bedroom to looking high-end and luxurious and you come in with a postage size stamp of a rug, something that's this big. You really need to have a rug that is large enough that you can extend beyond the bed so that you can see the pattern, the color. It also helps you to bring some grounding to the space. Just that extra touch to make the bedroom feel more luxurious. I do have some great rugs in my Amazon store for affordable prices. If you're looking to add a rug, y'all should go over there and check it out. Another good thing is to incorporate some beautiful lamps into your room's decor. You want to get lamps that are in scale with your bed. You don't want to go in there and get these little baby lamps that look like they're supposed to be in a nursery next to a changing table for your big bed. You need to find lamps that are tall enough. And I typically like to do lamps anywhere in the bedroom from 28 inches and up, depending on how high your headboard is. We have a super tall headboard. I think the thing is probably, I'm 5'3", and it's way taller than me. Our lamps are 38 inches tall, and y'all, that is big, but it is in scale with how large our headboard is. Make sure that you're getting something that is scale appropriate, that brings in that extra layer of light, because that also helps you to achieve that luxurious look. And that's why you're watching this video, so you can achieve the luxurious look. Layering your bedding is another element that helps to elevate your bedroom and just to make it feel cozy. You can layer with quilts, throws, duvets, blankets, whatever your sleeping choice. Take 2 or 3. Lighten it up in the spring and summer and really layer it in the wintertime. The next one is a must, and that is not having mushy pillows. I know y'all heard me say mushy pillows, pancake pillows, flat pillows, all of that has to go. You have to overfill your pillows. Overfill. How you achieve overfilling your pillows, honey, the secret is out. It is about the inserts. You can have a cover that is not expensive, but get a good insert and it'll make your inexpensive pillow look very expensive. But there are secrets to it. You cannot buy the same size insert, especially if it's a down that is the same size as the cover. If your cover is a 20, you cannot buy a 20 insert or you're going to experience mushiness. If you have a size 20, you need to go up to a 22 or a 24. I typically go up 2 sizes because I like them to be real tight and they don't lose their shape. I have some awesome ones that I spent my own money on in my Amazon store. Y'all know I'm an Amazon girl. So now I'm doing these things to help people achieve this look that you want, but you got to follow instructions. They come 2 in a pack. I'll leave the information in the description box down below. The best thing about the inserts are once you invest in them, you can always reuse them. So when I get tired of having the navy pillows on my sofa and I want to do something different, honey, I just unzip, pull it out, change the cover, and we are good to go. And you can do it too. The initial investment, it'll eventually pay for itself. If you haven't seen in my community post, y'all, I am doing some blogging. I do post the blog information on my website. Another thing that you see a lot in high-end luxurious bedrooms, they always tend to have another seating area. One, because they have a space, but even if you don't have a designated sitting room, you can always put a bench at the foot of your bed. And if you can't find a long enough bench or the long benches are too costly, get 2 smaller benches and put them together. You may even already have some benches around your home. Same thing with the seating area. If you have maybe a small corner to put a chair in, doesn't mean you got to go buy a new chair. Potentially just shop your own home. Do a new throw, toss it over the chair, put you a beautiful pillow over in it. Now you've created a space in your bedroom. The next thing that plays a big part in achieving that luxurious look is your color palette. Your room is looking like a box of kindergartner's crayons because it's all super colorful. It might be harder to achieve a luxurious look. One thing about bedrooms when you're thumbing through the magazines or looking on Instagram is the color palette. Tend to be very neutral. And I'm not saying neutrals have to be light, beiges, whites, creams, ivories. If you're a person who likes color, you still can saturate your room, but you need to be in that same color palette, either a light neutral palette or a moody palette. Ooh, one of my favorite things to achieve a luxurious look for your bedroom, you gotta have some drapes. Well, you don't have to have drapes, but to really get that feel, you go to a hotel, they tend to have layers of drapes. Sheer curtains for a little bit of privacy to let light in. The blackout curtains. For my birthday, Andreco took me to the Waldorf Astoria. And y'all, I felt like I was in New York. The way they had everything set up, you really knew that you were staying at a place that exuded luxury. You want to exude luxury, layering your drapes or even having that one set of drapes. And they don't all have to be custom. Now, I am getting my drapes done for our master bedroom. Just be simple, no frills, no thrills, but just that addition of the fabric is going to really help to soften the room. But you still have the option to buy things off the rack, them long enough, you hang them high enough, hang them wide enough to achieve that look. Sundays, I'm posting pictures of changes that we're doing around the house. I've said it before, we're in a home that's 25 years old. We're doing renovations. When I get to the point where I'm putting the drapes up, I'll make sure to put some pictures up, and I'm so excited. Just like a little kid at Christmas, I can't wait. And the final thing that I want to talk about to truly make your room look luxurious is that you got to have some symmetry about your room. Now, let me clear the air about some things. I have said in the past, have too much symmetry. You can. Two over here, too many twos. If you're north of 8 pairs of twins, let me start counting. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, we got 5, 6, 7. I'm about at my limit too. But in the bedroom, symmetry makes a difference because it is calming. I do like to see 2 matching nightstands, 2 matching lamps. Brings a sense of calmness to your spirit, brings a sense of calmness to my spirit. Ultimately, your bedroom is where you want to rest and rejuvenate yourself. And symmetry does help to bring about the rest and rejuvenate that we all need. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Told y'all this before, I'm not the only one to be reading the comments. My family read the comments. They be calling me like, did you read that comment? Yes, I read that comment. Now, those are my design tips to help you to achieve a high-end, luxurious looking bedroom. And who doesn't want that? Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. And until the next video.